We are just replacing this post quickly today. Okay, so just dug down and around the footing. Just going to cut it, pull it out, and then connect it back up to that bracket there. Okay, so we've just cut the pole. Okay, so mark the post to length right there. I'm going to cut it off with the angle grinder. Then I'm going to pre-drill it, put it in place and cement it in. Now this post is the wrong colour. It's a scrap one I had at home. So I'll give it a paint. Won't even know the difference. I'm going to do this with my hands, so bear with me. Okay, so I'm going to clean any burr I have off it. And it's on the inside as well. You want to make sure you get the burr out. That's it. And I'm just going to pre-drill where the other holes were. I've lost it at home. Okay, so I've pre-painted the top and I've just done 2 pilot holes. Now we just got to go and fit it. There you go, that slides onto there. Then we'll screw it in and see what it looks like. Okay, really quickly I put a screw in there, which will stop it moving up and down. And now we'll add the concrete to hold it in place. Okay, it's all cemented in place. It's all fastened up there. Just going to give it a quick paint and then fill in the hole. There you have it. Screwed up the top, all painted, done down the bottom, concreted in. So it's really easy to do. If you ever want to do it, it's very easy. Alright, give it a go. If you like this, give me a little subscribe. Thanks, bye.